Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make is Rava Dosa. Rava Dosa is made out of rava, obviously, with onions and with little tomatoes, along with ingredients of curd. This is a very simple dish. Also with the little ingredients, this can be made for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So anything, whatever is it, but it can be done in a quick span of time. So let's see how is it made. Come on along with us. To make a rava dosa, we need to take 200 grams of rava, place it in a bowl. We take equal quantity of rice flour, that is also around 200 grams, 100 grams of flour, drop it into the bowl. Next we take 2 teaspoons of curd, next we drop in 1 teaspoon of salt along with the ingredients. Next we pour a little water. Start mixing the ingredients together until they are watery. If required, you can add a little more water just to ensure that the ingredients mix well. Continuously mix all these ingredients together until there is no lumps in the batter, and it should be watery as I have been told before. We add 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seeds. Next we add half teaspoon of pepper. Next we add onions, 1 onion that we have chopped, 3 to 4 green chillies that we have chopped finely, and the final ingredient is half an inch ginger that we have chopped finely. So these are the ingredients that we have cut, as well as we have added to make a rava dosa. Now since the taste of salt was less, we are adding 1 more teaspoon of salt. Now we are mixing the ingredients well, and we need to keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now we are adding a little more water as the mixture needs to be watery. Next we smear some oil onto the pan and then take a ladle filled with the batter, spread it across the pan. Next we smear some oil just to ensure that the rava dosa does not stick to the pan. Now one side of the rava dosa is cooked. Next we need to flip it across for the other side to get cooked. Next we are flipping across the rava dosa for the other side to get cooked, and we have to cook it till it's brown in color. Now the other side too is cooked. Now we need to take it off the pan and it's ready to be served onto a plate. Now our rava dosa is ready to be served, and this can be had with cooked tomato chutney. And you can refer to our previous video where we have made a simple recipe on how to make tomato chutney. So this is a good combination, and this can be had for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And enjoy our rava dosa. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. If you like our videos really useful, please share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to hit the bell icon before subscribing to our videos. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye and happy weekend.